Good morning, everybody. Greetings from Subang Jaya, and a Merry Christmas to all of you out there. As for me, Christmas came a bit early this year when I received a special item from Thailand. So I'm talking about a piece that has been puzzling me for quite a while since I took delivery of my Yamaha PG-1 accessory kit last year. So I picked up a box from my dealership containing 7 items which I happily put together. I had a handguard cover, the subframe assembly, and the leg cover that I really enjoy setting up because it came in a kit form, and I think I don't really need to go to the dealership or to any workshop to get it done. However, there was one piece on the subframe that I felt was kind of like missing. So I looked at it. They were like a unfinished piece that links up to the subframe. So that thing got me wondering, whether did I really receive a complete package? Or did Yamaha just send out the stuff without notifying the owners that there's still a missing piece from that the whole subframe assembly? So fast forward, it's already December. About 2 weeks ago, I was looking up one of those accessory shops from Thailand, and I found that the actual missing piece of the puzzle, is this metal piece. So it's the Yamaha PG-1 skid plate that fits right underneath the subframe. Very well constructed. I ordered it, and almost immediately it got shipped up from Samut Sakon in the outer reaches of Bangkok. Took about a week to arrive with another Yamaha part, which is the USB charger, which was actually, to me, I think I overpaid for it because it was made by a Chinese company called Motor. So the USB charger fits into the headlight assembly. So I just need to couple it up and had it wired up to my handlebar. But that's another story. So with the skid plate, the whole undercarriage assembly for the subframe is finally complete, and I don't think I'll have a lot of issue getting it together. Piecing together all the assembly work and all that. Basically, all I need is a torque wrench and setting up together and making sure that the screws don't fall off by putting one of those special glue adhesive for the skid plate. So with this whole thing done, I'm very happy that finally I get closure, and I get a complete subframe assembly with the skid plate. Yeah. Okay, this is the completed skid plate assembly. So it provides some protection to the crankshaft next to the leg guard. Yeah.